Hello and welcome to Professional Certifications channel. In today's episode, we're going to explore key terms associated with CISSP certification Domain 6, Security Assessment and Testing. Let's get started.
Security audit and assessment strategies.
Security audits. Formal examinations and verifications to check whether an organization's security policies and procedures are being followed effectively. This includes reviewing documentation, practices, and controls. Assessment strategies. Approaches to evaluate the effectiveness of security measures, including risk assessments, gap analysis, and maturity assessments. Compliance audits. Checking adherence to regulatory requirements and standards like GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO 27001.
Security testing techniques.
Penetration testing. Simulated cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities and test the effectiveness of security controls. Vulnerability scanning. Using automated tools to identify vulnerabilities in systems and network infrastructure. Code review and analysis. Examining source code to identify security flaws and ensure adherence to secure coding practices. Social engineering testing. Assessing the human element of security by attempting to manipulate individuals into violating security procedures.
Security metrics and monitoring.
Security metrics. Quantitative measures used to gauge the effectiveness of security controls and processes, such as the number of incidents, time to detect and respond to incidents, and patch management efficiency. Continuous monitoring. Ongoing observation and analysis of security controls and infrastructure to detect and respond to threats in real time. Log management and analysis. Collecting, analyzing, and archiving logs from various systems and devices to detect suspicious activities or policy violations.
Incident response and recovery.
Incident response planning. Developing and implementing plans to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents. This includes defining roles, communication strategies, and procedures. Forensic analysis. Gathering and analyzing digital evidence following an incident to understand what happened and who was responsible. Business continuity and disaster recovery. Ensuring that operations can continue during and after a major incident or disaster, and that normal business operations can be restored as quickly as possible.
Vulnerability assessment.
Vulnerability identification. Identifying weaknesses in systems, applications, or networks that could be exploited by attackers. Risk evaluation. Assessing the potential impact and likelihood of vulnerabilities being exploited. Remediation planning. Developing plans to address and mitigate identified vulnerabilities, including patch management, configuration changes, or the implementation of additional controls.
Okay, that brings us to end of this episode. In next episode, we will explore key terms associated with Domain 7. Security operations.
If you find it informative, please like, share, and subscribe.